Today's lesson show you how to make multi-grain bun. The work process method to make the bun is rapid dose system. The equipment used in today's lesson is planetary mixer, and the tools are baking tray, paper cup, waving machine, dough hook, and plastic scraper. And there are two more equipments are proof box and baking oven. Introduction on ingredients from group 1 to group 3. Group 1, bread flour, soaked multigrain, high sugar instant dry yeast, milk powder, and soft bread improver. Group 2, cold water with ice cube. Group 3, salt and shortening. Lift it down the mixing bowl handle. Open the safeguard and remove the mixing bowl. Place the group 1 ingredients into the mixing bowl. Bread flour, soaked multigrain, brown sugar, soft bread improver, milk powder, and high sugar instant dry yeast. Manually stir the ingredients for 10 times. Use the dough hook with your hand. Then add in the group 2 ice water. Attach the mixing bowl and the dough hook to the mixer. Continue to lift up the mixing bowl handle and close the safe gut. Set speed 1 for 1 minute. Then start mixing. Once the mixer stops, open the safe gut and lift down the mixing bowl handle. Add in the group 3 shortening and salt. Attach the mixing bowl and the dough hook. Lift up the mixing bowl handle and close the safe gut. Set the mixer panel speed 3 for 9 minutes and start mixing. After the mixer stops, lift down the mixing bowl handle, open the safety guard, then remove the mixing bowl and the dough hook. Place the mixing bowl on the work table. Then check the window layer testing. Once ready, continue to next step. Dust some flour on the dough. Then remove the dough from the dough hook. Use the plastic scraper to scrape the dough and remove out from the mixing bowl. Place the dough on the work table. Knock down into a smooth layer. Punch in the end dough layer to the midpoint. Then shape it round. Use both hands to swirl around and tighten the dough to round shape. Cover the dough with plastic cling wrap to prevent dry skin formed. Then rest the dough for 10 minutes. This process we call floor time. Preheat the proof box. Timer 50 minutes. Temperature 35 degrees and the humidity 90%. Preheat the deck oven. It takes about 20 minutes. Set temperature 200 degrees. After floor time, remove the plastic cling wrap. Dust some flour on the dough and knock down the fermented dough into a dough layer. Use plastic scraper to cut the dough layer into 4 strips, thickness 2 inches. Continue to cut each dough strip into a portion, weigh 90 grams each. Select a nice smooth skin of the cut portion, then wrap into a round shape and place it on the work table. Arrange all the molded round portion into a sequence, then cover with cling wrap. Rest the dough for 10 minutes. This resting we call intermediate proof. After the intermediate proof, remove the cling wrap. Continue work process on molding and shaping. Place a portion on the work table. Knock back the dough with your hand. Pick the knockback dough on your hand. Wrap it tightly into a firm dough. Continue to mold into a round shape. There are two work processes to coat a multigrain on the dough surface. First step, dip in the molded dough into the water. Second step, dip in again into the multigrain. Then continue to place it into the paper cup. Repeat this step for all the molded dough portion. Arrange all the paper cup with dough 2-finger gap on the baking tray. Then place the baking tray into the proof box. This process we call final proof. Final proof time is about 50 minutes. After the final proving ended, place the baking tray into the preheated oven. Temperature 200 degrees. Set timer 20 minutes. Switch on the oven light. After the oven alarm ring, open the oven damper and check the multigrain bun is in light brown color. Prepare a wire rack on the work table. Then open the oven damper, remove the hot baking tray from the oven, place it on top the table. Continue to arrange all the buns on top the wire rack. This process we call cooling down.